Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Finance Portfolio. Open Google Finance, sign into your Google account, and click Portfolios to begin building a new list. Add tickers by typing symbols or company names, then set custom quantities and purchase prices for accurate tracking. Organize by sectors or themes to compare similar holdings, and use the watch list to follow potential additions without affecting your portfolio. Start by clicking Create Portfolio and choose a meaningful name so you can find it later. Use the Add symbol box to quickly add stocks, ETF, or mutual funds one at a time or in short lists. For realistic tracking, input the number of shares and the original purchase price, which enables Google Finance to calculate gain and percentage change precisely for each holding in your portfolio view. If you're finding this guide useful, please hit subscribe and like to help the channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading financial news, research, and reports much easier on commutes or flights, and it pairs well with portfolio learning sessions. I find its glare-free screen perfect for late-night digging into holdings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Check the overview for a snapshot of portfolio value, day change, and total return so you can assess performance at a glance. Toggle date ranges to compare recent momentum versus longer-term trends and spot seasonality or volatility. Use charts to visualize allocation and sector exposure, and export CSV when you want deeper analysis in a spreadsheet or to keep a personal backup of your portfolio snapshots over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.